Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about network management, and in network management we are going to see organizational model. So what is network management model? The organization model is a part of network management model. So it is a OSI network management architecture model comprises of four models: organizational model, information model, communication model, and functional model. In that we are going to see about organizational model. So the organizational model describes the components of network management system, their functions and their infrastructure. So what the organization model is? It is a model that describes the components of network management and their relationship. So in that there are three types. One is two-tier network management organization model, three-tier network management organization model, network management model with MOM. These three are little bit different from each other, but it is used for the description of the components of network management. So now let's see about the two-tier network management. So in the diagram you can see there is a manager and the management database, managed objects and unmanaged objects. So in two-tier it consists of a network objects. So what are network objects? These are elements such as hosts, hubs, bridges, routers, etc. Now all these network elements are classified into two. One is managed objects and another is unmanaged objects. The managed elements have a management process running in them called as agent. The shaded part in the image you can see that is the agent. The manager manages the managed element. There is a database in the manager but not in the agent. The manager can access the management database, but the agent is not allowed to do so. The manager queries the agent and receives the management data, processes it, and stores it in database. And the next is three-tier network management organization model. In three-tier, there is a extra manager come agent. Now, how they work? In three-tier model, the intermediate layer acts both as agent and manager. When it acts as manager, it collects data from the network elements, processes it, and stores it in results in its database. Then it acts as a manager. The middle layer does the same process which a manager does, means it collects data from network elements, processes it, and stores it. Then it acts like a manager. And when it transmits information to the top level manager, it acts as an agent. Because in the two tier, we see how the agent works. It just transmits the information from managed objects to the manager. In this, it acts both the same. Now here, these two layers have managed database and agents are will be there. Next is network management model with MOM, means manager of manager. Network domains can be managed locally, and a global view of the network can be monitored by manager of manager. Means all the same process can be managed locally. Whatever happens, there's no need to report that to everyone. But the global view of this network can be monitored by another managers. The whatever the managers means the local managers does, it can be managed by the above manager, means the manager for the managers. It does the same. It collects the data, processes the data, and stores the data in managed database. And locally, it will work similar to two tier or three tier. But here, what these local managers do, it can be monitored by the MOM, is manager of managers. Network domains can be managed locally, and a global view of the network can be monitored by manager of manager. This configuration uses an enterprise network management system and is applicable to organizations with site distribution across cities. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you.